Surrounded by Seoul's towering cityscape, tiny orange gloves are on and ready to go. The students are all smiles, waiting for the big reveal. Yes, crowding around compost.
Whoa!
Fuel for sustainability studies at the international school, Dulwich College Seoul.
Give it a sniff. Does it stink, really?
Kind of. Not really for me.
How do you feel?
Warm.
Scraps from lunch and dried up plants all go in here. Come spring, compost will help the gardens grow. They're getting the garden plots ready now, weeding so grass doesn't soak up the soil's nutrients.
He's dancing.
There are discoveries in the dirt,
Got some daisy thingies. Sure, come in.
gatherings in the greenhouse, young hands nurturing plants and seeds, sowing a future rooted in sustainability.
Our thanks to Mike Valerio reporting from Dulwich College in Seoul. We'll stay with CNN for more Quarter Earth Day coverage.